If you see, we have listed out few of the requirements to plan this kind of hose connections. Like this is one of the hose connection here, and how the routing is done here. Okay, this is the hose connection. If you see the front view, this is here. If you see the front view, this will be looking like this. Okay, so there are few guidelines which we need to take care while routing all these hose connection piping. Hose stations placed at platform near manhole. So wherever there is a manhole, that platform, like there is one manhole, we need to provide one hose station here, where we are supplying steam, air, water, and nitrogen. Nitrogen if required. If process is nitrogen is required, we provide nitrogen header also. Each manhole platform shall have utility station, hose station. Utility piping from vertical header to utility station to be run below platform readily. Okay, this is very important. These connections will be, this small bore piping shall be routed below this platform. Okay, headers are vertical and we are taking tapping below the platform, and we are routing a hose station. Water connection up to 35 meter generally or as per project specification. Like we have shown three tappings here, sometime up to 35 meter water is supplied, otherwise there is no requirement. Hose station sequence from left to right should be steam, air, water, and nitrogen. Okay, we try to keep steam on left side because most of the people are right-handed, so this is safety issue. So this will be on right side, there will be water. If some valve is open accidentally, then it will be water. Okay, so that's why we try to keep this sequence. Water spray nozzle should be placed at a distance minimum 450 and maximum this from the column surface. Okay, this much space should be there for the movement of the operator. There shall be a ring for every 35 mm height for the column. Okay, most of the time we try to provide hose station at 35 meter elevation, 3500 mm, that means 3.5 meter from one platform to another. If there is a length of the column, then we try to provide hose stations at 3500 mm. So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.